Yo, what's up? And today I'm making myself soup and I'm gonna play with my dog. Ooh. Right, so I'm gonna put it for 1 minute. Where's me fork? Where's me fork? Fork. There you go, that's my fork. Dry it. There you go. There's me tea. Yay. I'm gonna play with the dog. Da-da-da-da-da. She's not bothered. Oh, she's so cute. Look at her. Look. Oh. Yeah, she's not bothered. She's completely not bothered. Boop face. In fact, I'm gonna make a video called Poop Face. In a sec. Oh, look how cute. That's my supper. Damn, no fireworks in here. Ah, that smell. That's what I got for supper. The rest of dinner. Boop. Not only that, I'm gonna eat it. This video's only been going for 1 minute, so why can't I just spend some time with you guys? Hello. Hello. Some time with you guys. This is spicy, that's all I'm gonna tell you. The gravy is spicy. You guys don't have to worry, I don't eat with my mouth open or talk with food in my mouth. Because that's not gentleman-like. I'm sorry for slurping if that's irritating. That's better. Some good tea. Wow! The tea that I make is awesome. Right, back to eating. You potato, don't be hiding. Was hiding on the ribs. Because these are ribs from a piggy. No, piggy, you were my friend. But now I'm just eating my friend, basically. Mr. Piggy, no. Spicy. That's possibly why you were hiding under the ribs. So I'll eat you last. So I won't have to go through the pain that much. So these less spicy things help me get used to spicy things. And I could eat them. Nice try though. I'm still gonna eat you like. My potato fell. My potato fell. My potato fell. My potato fell. You're gonna get eaten. You're dead. He's dead now. Time for the ribs. Ah. I love the ribs. They're very tasty. Oh my goodness, that nearly fell. This nearly fell off this. When I'm gonna be finally upstairs, I'm gonna do a reaction video. I might. Wait. That's where I'm gonna keep the bones. Right. I might, which means I am not saying that I will. If you're wondering what the snoring is, that's my dog. It's not me falling asleep eating piggy ribs. Piggy ribs. Wow. Next, you, the big fat one. Look how fat it is, and it's got a lot of gravy on, and a potato. Could be a potato. There you go. If you're wondering what the music is, it's from telly over there in my living room. I think it's Dora the Explorer, that's why. Because my little brother watches some girly stuff and stuff. Some baby stuff, that's why. I guess when he was in the middle of watching, he had to go. I had potatoes on my pants. Right, I'm kinda done. So, more stuff to wash. I guess you have to clean up. And even more stuff to wash when I'm done with this. Ah, that's so good tea. By the way, it's nearly 7 right now. 7 PM in England, Skelmersdale. 3 minutes to 7. So tasty. Right. If some of you would have counted how many times I've said so tasty, counting this one, in the comments, I will be happy. Okay? So if you can do that, please do it. Been in the bones, so the cops won't know what it is. Putting the washing up stuff, deleting you, going like, Right guys, I'm gonna get the camera over there. Some more washing up. There you go. Can you see? You can see just the top of the cup. Right. I'm gonna do a home tour for downstairs because I only did the upstairs home tour next. Now I'm gonna do the pit, then the daily vlog. What do you guys think? Good face or daily vlogs? I guess none of you are gonna comment. That's haven't got a single comment ever except on Facebook. Like weird stuff. done cleaning it up. I'm actually gonna count the amount of videos I've done. My battery's kind of low as well, so I guess see you guys in the next video, which will be the home tour downstairs edition.